Hello everyone, today I will introduce a special LiDAR mapping device, PALMSLAM. Accurate scanning and mapping can be achieved by just moving the hand. Let's unbox and take a look. Here is the shipping list of PALMSLAM. Here is the built-in battery connection cable, and screwdriver. This is grip, with a button. This is upper case. Mobile phone bracket. You can install your mobile phone on PALMSLAM. Charger. Screw pack and wire. We will provide OLED. Can be used to display distance data, and current LiDAR model. LiDAR expansion board. And LiDAR. Today we are reviewing the MS200 version. In addition, there are many other versions for choice, including EAI LiDAR for ROS, SLAM C1, T-mini Plus, EAI X3 Pro and without LiDAR. Different LiDARs differ only in parameters and performance. Other functions and courses are the same. This MS200 LiDAR adopt TOF ranging principle. Detection range up to 12 meters. Can work stably in outdoor strong light environments up to 30 clucks. You can pause the video to view the parameter comparison of 5 LiDARs. Expansion board integrates the ESP32 chip. Uses the microROS wireless communication solution, and integrates a 6-axis inertial measurement unit, with multiple LiDAR interfaces, can contact multiple LiDARs. Through the microROS solution, PALMSLAM can publish LiDAR data topics. Users can subscribe to LiDAR topics in PC virtual machines. Wireless communication mapping functions can be realized. Next, we can complete the assembly according to the installation instructions or video. After assembly is complete, let's experience handheld LiDAR ranging. We can hold the PALMSLAM to test the distance ahead. The distance information will be displayed on the OLED. Error is small. The test distance is related to the LiDAR performance. If you choose EAI LiDAR for ROS, the maximum distance can be tested is 30 meters. Supports 2 mapping algorithms, GMapping and Cartographer. During the mapping, you can install your mobile phone on PALMSLAM, preview the mapping process in real time through the app, or preview the mapping process on PC virtual machines. Simplified the mapping process. The entire operation process is more intuitive and simple. After turning on the device, you can switch the LiDAR model, and adjust the anti-shake sensitivity of the buzzer, by tilting the device body. During the mapping process, the buzzer will provide real-time anti-shake prompts, help us maintain the stability of the device, thereby improving the accuracy and stability of the mapping. Yaboom provides a lot of relevant tutorials and codes, which makes it easier for beginners to get started quickly. PALMSLAM can even be used with Jetson Nano, Raspberry Pi or EAI X3, greatly expands the application range. In the above experience, we can feel that, compared with carrying a PC to mapping, and operating robot car to complete mapping, PALMSLAM provides a simpler operating experience. Just hold the device and move to quickly complete mapping. A wealth of development materials also be provided. It is very suitable for users who need to mapping, or measure distance.